Hi friends, I'm so glad you're looking for a challenge today. You may have remembered that earlier today you watched the nonfiction video Rainforest in BrainPop Jr. So now that you've watched it, there are a couple other activities you can do that can challenge your brain. So down below you have the easy quiz, hard quiz. You can click those and those will give you questions based on the video. And you can watch the video as many times as you need in order to answer those questions. There are a few others that I thought were really good too. Let me share those with you. The first one was Draw About It. In Draw About It, it says many rainforest animals
live in the canopy.
What do you think this layer looks like? So you'll click Start and you'll be able to draw a picture of what you think the canopy of the rainforest looks like. Down below is an option for you to print if you would like to print your picture when you're done. Let me show you another example. There's also Write About It. This says, imagine you're a rainforest plant or animal. What would your habitat be like? How would you stay safe? So when you want to begin, you click Start. Over here it gives you some helpful words. Canopy, understory, forest floor, extinct. So what do you think your habitat would look like? How would you stay safe? When you want to start writing, you can click and you can start typing right here. Okay. Another activity that I thought was really fun was the wordplay activity. Let me share that with you. In wordplay, it says play with words. Choose a word to explore. Draw, write, or create a skit about it. Let's look what happens when we click rainforest. It says explain
this word
with a drawing. So we can draw a picture of rainforest.
Right.
We can write
Use this word in a piece of writing.
And then we can act it out. Okay?
A thick forest that gets at least...
Let me show you a couple of other things. There was the activity here. You're going to finish the rainforest rhymes using words from the word bank. Our word bank words are green, toes, bird, pray, or slow. You can print this out or you can do this on paper if you don't have a printer. It's fine. Number 1 says an anaconda climbs trees and swims all day. When it's ready for dinner, it squeezes its. So we're looking for a rhyming word. We're going to look at the last word in that line. The last word here was day. So the word that I choose here is going to be a rhyming word for day. In the box up here, I'm sure you already see that word. Okay, so those are some activities you can do just to challenge your brain. You can click on any of them and explore. They're all great, but those are just a few that I thought I would highlight. Thanks, friends, for challenging your brain. I can't wait to see what you do. If you do something really cool, share it with me. I would love to hear it and give you a shout out.